Hello and welcome to Weight Loss Teachers. Today, we're going to discuss about low-calorie lunch recipes for weight loss. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining a healthy weight has become a significant concern for many individuals. While regular exercise plays a vital role in weight management, a balanced diet is equally important. Lunch, being a crucial meal of the day, offers an opportunity to make healthy choices that promote weight loss. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Weight Loss Teachers. In this video, we will explore a collection of low-calorie lunch recipes that are not only delicious but also help in achieving your weight loss goals. Each recipe is designed to provide maximum nutrition while keeping the calorie count in check. Let's dive in. Grilled chicken salad with lemon vinaigrette. Recipe 1. Ingredients: 4 ounces grilled chicken breast, 2 cups mixed salad greens, 1/2 cucumber, sliced, 1/2 cup cherry tomatoes, halved, 1/4 red onion, thinly sliced, tablespoons lemon vinaigrette dressing, recipe below. Instructions. 1. Season the chicken breast with salt and pepper, then grill until cooked through. 2. Let it cool, then slice it into thin strips. 3. In a large bowl, combine the salad greens, cucumber slices, cherry tomatoes, and red onion. 4. Drizzle the lemon vinaigrette dressing over the salad and toss to coat. 5. Top the salad with the grilled chicken strips. 6. Serve and enjoy. Recipe 2. Ingredients: 4 ounces grilled chicken breast, 2 cups baby spinach, 1/2 cup sliced strawberries, 1/4 cup crumbled feta cheese, 2 tablespoons sliced almonds, 2 tablespoons lemon vinaigrette dressing. Instructions. 1. Grill the chicken breast until fully cooked. 2. Allow it to cool, then slice it into bite-sized pieces. 3. In a large bowl, combine the baby spinach, sliced strawberries, feta cheese, and sliced almonds. 4. Drizzle the lemon vinaigrette dressing over the salad and toss gently to mix. 5. Add the grilled chicken on top of the salad. 6. Serve the salad as a refreshing and nutritious lunch option. Quinoa and vegetable stir-fry. Recipe 1. Ingredients: 1 cup cooked quinoa, 1 cup broccoli florets, 1 bell pepper, sliced, 1 carrot, julienne, 1/2 cup snap peas, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon low-sodium soy sauce, 1 teaspoon grated fresh ginger, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. 1. Heat the sesame oil in a large skillet or wok over medium heat. 2. Add the minced garlic and grated ginger to the skillet and sauté for 1 minute. 3. Add the broccoli florets, bell pepper slices, julienne carrot, and snap peas to the skillet. 3. Stir-fry for 5-6 minutes or until the vegetables are tender crisp. 4. Add the cooked quinoa to the skillet and stir-fry for an additional 2-3 minutes to combine the flavors. 5. Drizzle the low-sodium soy sauce over the stir-fry and toss well. 6. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 7. Remove from heat and serve the quinoa and vegetable stir-fry as a healthy and satisfying lunch. Recipe 2. Ingredients: 1 cup cooked quinoa, 1 zucchini, spiralized or julienne, 1 yellow squash, spiralized or julienne, 1 red bell pepper, thinly sliced, 1/2 cup cherry tomatoes, halved, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 2 tablespoons low-sodium soy sauce, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon red pepper flakes, optional. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. 1. Heat olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. 2. Add minced garlic and red pepper flakes, if using, to the skillet and sauté for about 1 minute until fragrant. 3. Add spiralized or julienne zucchini, yellow squash, and thinly sliced bell pepper to the skillet. 3. Stir-fry for 3-4 minutes until the vegetables are slightly tender. 4. Add the cooked quinoa and cherry tomatoes to the skillet. 4. Stir-fry for an additional 2-3 minutes until well combined. 5. Drizzle low-sodium soy sauce over the stir-fry and toss well to coat the ingredients. 6. Season it with salt and pepper according to your taste preferences. 7. Remove from heat and serve the quinoa and vegetable stir-fry as a delicious and nutrient-packed lunch option. Conclusion. Eating a balanced and low-calorie lunch is a key component of a successful weight loss journey. By incorporating these delicious and healthy recipes into your lunchtime routine, you can nourish your body while keeping your calorie intake in check. Remember, it's important to focus not only on the calorie count but also on the quality of ingredients. Choose fresh, whole foods that are rich in nutrients and low in empty calories. The recipes provided in this video are designed to meet these criteria, ensuring that you receive a good balance of macronutrients and essential vitamins and minerals. Thank you for watching, and do remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this information helpful.